So hello again everyone. I'll be covering a song called Butterfly Fly Away by Miley Cyrus. And I dedicate this song to my wonderful parents and sa kapatid ko na rin kasi tugma rin naman yung lyrics somehow sa kanya. Sobra. Ayun. Bakit ko naisipan na ito yung kanta? Kasi actually na cover ko na to dati para sa birthday ng mom ko nun. Way back 2020 yata. And kaya naisipan ko itong kanta kasi Valentine's Day and Valentine's Day. Sino ba iba kung kakantahan, haharanahin, kundi loved ones ko. My mom, my dad, my sister, pati dogs and cats. And kayo na rin, mga nanonood. You tuck me in, turn out the lights, keep me safe and sound at night. Little girls depend on things like that. You brush my teeth and comb my hair, had to drive me everywhere. You're always there when I look back. You had to do it all alone, make a living, make a home. Must have been as hard as it could be. And when I couldn't sleep at night, scared things would turn out right, you would hold my hand and sing to me. Okay na yun. It's the time of the month. Love month. Kasi it's the time of the month na love month. Ayun. Pero, kung wala kang significant other like me, ano na yun? Basta may family love. Basta family love, friendship love, pet love, nature love, travel love, ang daming love. It's all over the world. Everyday love. Di naman kailangan jowa, ganyan-ganyan. It can wait, guys. It can wait. Sinasabihan ko talaga yung sarili ko. Pero yun nga, hindi naman, you don't need to rush things. Ayun. Dami kong sinabi para lang sa ano. Ayun, that's all. Thank you po. I hope nagustuhan to ng family ko. And I'm very blessed na sila yung pamilya ko. Palagi. Very, thankful ako kay Lord. Very blessed. Love you, tayo, ladies. Thank you. Thank you rin sa inyo. Mahal din kayo ng mga mahal nyo. Hopefully. Joke lang. Ayun. Mahal din kayo nyo. Happy Valentine's Day and God bless you all and have a good day. Keep safe.